are actually quite comfortable. Ouch! It hurts! Oh no! Poppy! Here, let me turn your knee. Oh. Thanks a lot, Pinky. A really good friend. Now to take off these heels. Cleaning the house is hard work, but the end result is totally worth it. At last, it's clean. Oh, hey, Pinky. How do you like my new device for traveling around with my bruised leg? Poppy! See what you've done to the room. What have you done? Then you made it dirty again. You've caused me a lot of wasted effort and time. Why must there be such a thing as dust? It's such a new dirty nuisance. Pinky, stop wheeling. Dust is actually quite important for us. What good can dust do except make things dirty? More important than you think. Without dust, we might not be able to survive. To excuse yourself for the wrong you did, Pinky, there's a variety of dust everywhere in the atmosphere. Dust absorbs and reflects the rays of the sun so that it reaches the Earth's surface. Hey, did you know that it will not rain if there is no dust? What is the relationship between dust and rainfall? Well, the water vapor in the air sticks to the dust particles. Clouds are formed because the water vapor in the atmosphere that rises from the Earth's surface sticks onto the dust. If there is no dust, no clouds would form. No clouds means no rain for the living things on the surface of the planet. So, don't you think that dust is important? This is the first time I heard that dust is important to living things. Poppy. First, I want to say thank you for enlightening me so much on the importance of dust. But you still need to clean up all this dust. Hi everybody. Thank you so much for watching the video. There are tidbits of information in the descriptions box below. Thank you.